Yes, so in here the US001 SP002, when I access my file, my documents table, there is a document I uploaded admission form displayed with the correct upload dates in upload date columns and correct name. But when I check in the my documents table, I check there is no upload date column, just display document name column, type column, and action column. Okay. So based on user story and story point, there should be their uploaded column in the my table, my document table in here.